Let's learn AI without the nerd stuff. This is day 2, and today we are going to talk about AI agents. To truly understand AI agents, you first need to know the difference between a chatbot and an AI agent. So, everything that you use, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're all chatbots. So, for instance, if you give them a prompt of plan a farewell party, they'll give you a couple of ideas. So, they're good for giving ideas like plan your cake, do some music, plan some games, and so on. If you take AI agents and if you give the same prompt, plan a farewell party, what the AI agent does is it sets a budget, creates a guest list, books a couple of venues, sends out invitations, sets up reminders for you, and creates a checklist as well. So, an AI agent kind of works towards a goal. The goal over here is to plan a farewell party. So, it executes stuff. How does an AI agent work? So, let's say you are asking the AI agent to help me study for my science test. So, it sets a goal to study for the science test. It creates a plan, a detailed study plan, and it uses tools like searching the web, scheduling some things on your calendars, going through your files to get your resources. And then it takes action. It actually creates a study plan, quizzes you, and so on, and then finally implements the whole result. So, this is where a human comes in, checks it, and then, if needed, the steps repeat. So, this is how an AI agent works. And always remember, you are still in charge, all right? The AI agent can help a human, but that doesn't mean the AI agent has full autonomy. You, as a human, gives the agent a goal. It does the busy work of comparing options, doing research, setting reminders, drafting messages, and so on. It acts as your digital intern, but it's not the whole thing. You have to keep that in mind. You are the reviewer, and only after you approve, anything and everything goes live. So you can use AI agents for drafting a message or organizing your files or doing your research. But if you are taking some important decisions regarding finance, handling your financial decisions, or sending out the final messages, it's you who has to review and approve, and your digital intern is fast for these different topics. Now, that's a wrap on AI agents. I'll see you tomorrow with yet another complex AI topic. If you have some topic in mind, put it in the comments and follow me.